Hi everyone, welcome back to Hello Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make this incredible carrot cake. Moist and fluffy carrot cake filled on top with a delicious orange cream cheese frosting. Start off by preparing your carrots and shred them at the finest setting. We get started by adding our eggs. And the sugars, and we're gonna mix that until yellow, pale, and fluffy. About 2 minutes or so. You can add in your vanilla extract and your almond extract at this time, and slowly drizzle the oil. Once this is done, you're gonna add your grated carrot to the mixture and the applesauce. You're gonna add your raisins and your nuts. You can take either pecans or walnuts, and you wanna fold everything slowly into the butter. Once that's all mixed in, if you have a sieve in your flour, your baking powder, your baking soda, salt, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, nutmeg, and ginger. If you don't have ground ginger, you can also use grated fresh ginger. And at this point, you want to fold the butter in nice and slowly. It's really important not to overstir because that will make the cake dry. Fill your cake batter into a prepared baking pan. You can use a round springform pan or a bread loaf pan. Bake it at 350 degrees, 45 to 50 minutes. Once the cake is baking, you can go on and make the frosting. To a small bowl, add your cream cheese, butter, and it's really important that the butter and the cream cheese are room temperature. Add the powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. Then add the vanilla extract, orange zest, and the juice of half an orange. And mix until smooth and creamy. I usually make this frosting a day ahead, and I refrigerate it until ready to layer. The frosting is enough for filling the cake on the inside or just on the outside. If you like, you can dust this cake very lightly with a little bit of cinnamon powder, just to give it a nice little touch. Enjoy!